Did you know owls are nature's stealth ninjas? Let's dive into 5 wild facts about these feathered predators. Owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees. Their necks have 14 vertebrae, double what humans have, letting them scan for prey without moving their body. Owls hunt in near silence. Their feathers have fringed edges that muffle sound, making them invisible to prey. Sneaky, right? Those big eyes, they're locked in place so owls can't roll them. But they see in the dark better than most animals, spotting a mouse from half a mile away. Owls dance to size up threats. That head bobbing isn't just cute, it's them judging distance and planning their next move. Owls don't chew. They swallow prey whole and cough up bone pellets later. Gross, but efficient. Which owl fact blew your mind? Drop a comment and smash that like button for more.